How often should you replace your cabin air filter? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Now, the cabin air filter is that filter that's typically behind the glove box in the dash, and it serves the same purpose as the air filter for the HVAC system in your home, the one that's typically in the ceiling. And most of those are statically charged, so they do collect dust quickly. And some are actually even carbon infused, which helps reduce odors. So it can help your allergens, it can help the smell of your vehicle. Typically here with our dusty climate, about once a year or every 15,000 miles, it will get pretty dirty. If it goes too long, it can put some stress on the blower motor and on the blower resistor. So a good kind of rule of thumb is about every 15,000 miles. Hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.